Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2024 Telluride SX X-Line in wolf gray. With forward collision avoidance, safe exit assist and highway driving assist, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 12.3-inch touchscreen, navigation, dual sunroofs, power liftgate, 3.8-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com. Stock number D7835A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.